Hi everybody, today we're looking at the updated version of L-19 in Carteret Mobile Park. The house is completely ready, the electric is on, the skirting is done, the gutters are up, the storm doors are up. Here you see the inside of the house. Now sadly, the day I did this video, it was a rainy day. It was August 7th, 2023, but the house is ready. The custom steps have been built. Here you see the electric on the outside of the house, the concrete patio. We've got grass seed in the back. And so this rain will actually help quite a bit. This house is an Eagle River Homes house. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wait till you see the inside. But here you're seeing the outside land around it, the lot. And it's a very desirable corner lot. Again, we've got the grass seed and protected with the hay. We've got the water hooked up and watering it every day. The maintenance guys are working on that. Ooh, I see my camera steaming up. Can't do anything about that, so just hang in there. So this is the rest of the neighborhood. There's the website that you go to, myhomeincarteret.com. You want to fill out the pre-qualifying questions. There's the rest of the neighborhood. That back row is row O, and then here you have row L. Again, the custom steps, the Anderson storm doors. Now you see the electricity is on, and this is a beautiful painted, no, I should say stained gray wood cabinetry. Eagle River Homes does custom curtains and valances. The flooring is this beautiful gray vinyl. Here you see a very elegant ceiling fan. And you've got drywall behind this water-resistant paper. It's a great neutral color. Here's your programmable thermostat. These are thermal pane windows. There you see the little arched window for the front door. Here's your smoke detectors. You've got LED lights above. You've got 4 appliances in the kitchen, a microwave, a stove oven combination, the dishwasher, the refrigerator, and I love this stainless steel sink. Here's another custom offer that Eagle River does is the cutlery drawer. This countertop is absolutely gorgeous. And here's the oven inside. All of the appliances have warranties directly with Whirlpool. Here's the microwave. When you buy the house, all of the warranty booklets and items that you have to fill out are in the drawer. Here are the inside of the cabinets. They're all wood and they're adjustable. Again, it's the stained gray, so it won't peel or chip. I love this farm sink. And look at this awesome industrial-like spout for the kitchen. We add the little skirting on the bottom of the track of the cabinets. Here's the inside of the dishwasher. We did the New York subway tile. Here's your 18-inch refrigerator. Let's take a look inside. Brand new, never been used. Here's a view of the kitchen. And then from this angle, you see where you could put your table, and there's lighting above. It's your living room. And then going down the hallway, we've got the furnace. Now the cover's on. There's a whole bunch of items that are incomplete when the house arrives. And I did a previous video that will show you. Here's your 9-light cottage door for the back door. By the federal HUD code, there has to be a second door close to the bedroom. Here is an area for your washable, stackable washer and dryer. Here is the bathroom with a one-piece fiberglass step-in shower stall with 2 seats. And we added the glass bypass door with a great towel rack and a handle there so you can open it. Here's your commode and your cosmetic box above the commode. And here's your framed mirror. And this countertop for the kitchen, bathroom is a little bit different than the kitchen. It's really pretty. It's almost like a sparkly marble or granite. There's the floor. Again, the stackable washer and dryer area. And here is your bedroom. Now, at the end of this video, you'll get the floor plan and you can see all the sizes. You've got 2 bypass doors for your closet, and in the corner you've got your hot water heater, and we add a door there, but you could easily put furniture in front of that. That just gives you access when you need it. Again, LED lights above and the vinyl flooring. Let's take a look inside. This is just for access. It's not that you have to keep the door clear. Again, it's a 100 amp electric panel, just like a regular home. And in the closet, we've got the screen doors for the Anderson storm doors. There's your data plate, and it tells you that this is an Energy Star certified home. And this is all the information about the appliances that are in the house. Here's the extent of the closet. It's quite lengthy. It's a wire rack, and here you have your all house bypass for the water, so you can turn it off if you're heading down to Florida for 3 months. Again, this usually comes under the house, and we put it in a very accessible location, even if you're doing repairs or whatever you need to do. 2 beautiful windows. Makes your bedroom very light and airy, same as the living room, the 2 double windows together. So again, go to myhomeincarteret.com and fill out the pre-qualifying questions, and this will elicit a series of emails that will go over the process, financing, and many links to different portions of the website to help you understand how we do everything. Everything's done online and through email. So now I'm going to compare some of the outside photos. So this is what the house looks like today. And this is when we were first getting started. So you're going to get a couple of before and after. There's after. That's after. Before. No, the other way around. After and before, as the guys were working on it. It's quite a difference. It's really adorable house. Here it is when it first arrived. There were no gutters or storm doors or custom steps or skirting or the outside lights. In fact, there you see a little step stool that I had to use to go inside the house to film and photograph it. So now the house is ready for a new buyer. If you're interested in a one bedroom house, this is the house for you. We're really proud of the quality of this home. It's pretty remarkable. And now enjoy the rest of the still photographs. And at the end, you'll hear a little bit about Carteret Mobile Park. Thank you for stopping in. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video. We really appreciate your letting other people know about our quality manufactured homes in Middlesex County, New Jersey, in Carteret, New Jersey. This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our three communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our three mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're four generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the third generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our fourth generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey. And this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.